Hello Cricuters, and welcome to Cricketing with Delonda. I am not Delonda, I am Morgan, and I have returned by popular demand. In today's video, I will be showing you how to make this wooden panel sign. I made this for my English teacher. As the year is coming to an end, I've decided I want to create them some gifts. So I also made this one for my band director using the exact same process. And I decided to take this a step further by adding a piece of twine, and on the back I just used a staple gun to staple it to the back because this one did not come with twine like this one did. So my mom is behind the camera. Here she comes.
Hey everybody!
And if you find this tutorial helpful, please like, subscribe, and turn on the bell for notifications because my mom does upload videos every single week without fail. So without further ado, let's get started. For this project, I will be using a 15 by 15 StarCraft clamshell heat press, this wooden palette from Ross that was purchased for $2.99, the Cricut Explorer Air 2 pen weeding tool, this navy Paper Studio HTV, and this blue HTV Ront mat. Okay, I am in Cricut Design Space, and the first thing I will do is add a shape, and I'll choose the rectangle. And after I measured my wood, it came out to be 12 by 3.9, so I'll resize this to that. 12, and unlock it by 3.9. After I do that, I will click upload and add this file in. And I downloaded this from Design Bundles as an SVG or a cut file. My mom is a Plus member, so she got this file for free. Next thing I will do is ungroup this. I'm gonna minimize my canvas. I will ungroup this, and then I will start attaching this, and then I will resize each phrase to 10.742 by 2.927. And make sure to unlock it. 2.927. Okay, so I'll do that for each one. Attach and resize to 10.742. 2.927. And by doing this will ensure that each phrase fits inside the wood perfectly. Then I will hide the template and click Make It. After clicking Make It, adjust the words so they're not touching when they're cut out. And then make sure to mirror this because you are using HTV. For this, I'll be connected to the Cricut Explorer Air 2, and I'm going to choose Everyday Iron-On as my material, and it's on default pressure, and I will load my mats, and everything here will be back on the camera. Now I have my vinyl loaded onto the mat, and I will get the mat loaded into the machine. Now that I have the vinyl weeded out, I'm going to do a 3-second pre-press on the wood. Now I will place each phrase onto the wood. I cut them into their each individual sections, so it'll be easier to place them. Now I will use a sheet of Teflon on top and press at 315 degrees in 15-second intervals. Okay, so this is the final product, and what am I gonna say? I love it. I absolutely love the way this turned out. Now let me move to the chair and give you my final thoughts. Okay, so as I said before, I love the way this turned out. And if you found this tutorial helpful, please like, subscribe, and turn on the bell for notifications because my mom does upload every week. And please leave a comment down below whether you want to see me more or not. I'm thinking about doing a series, so just let me know in the comments. And thank you so much for joining me today, and thanks for watching. Bye!